Wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day 2024. The theme of the International Yoga Day 2024 says, Yoga for Self and Society. We can bring the benefit in ourselves by recognizing ourselves as the unlimited, imperishable, immortal, and eternal being. We are not just this physical body, but we are beyond that. So when we talk about yoga for the self, means to bring the benefit to the self by having the proper law and love. When we have the balance of love and law in ourselves, we can definitely bring the benefit in ourselves. And when we start inculcating the virtues of peace and happiness, when we start inculcating the unconditional love and happiness in ourselves, by recognizing the self, we can bring the benefit in ourselves, and we can also benefit this physical body. So when we have the harmony of the self and this physical body, we can definitely bring the harmony in the society as well. Yoga for society means to bring the benefit in the society as well. And that is only possible when we recognize our individual role and responsibility for our existence in this society. What is my role as a self? What is my role as a human being? Is it only to nurture myself and nurture my family, or is it to touch the lives of each and every person in the society? And that comes into existence when I am very much aware of the unlimited treasure I have within myself and utilization of those treasures in the physical form. When I start benefiting myself in a long run, when I start benefiting my family, then definitely I can bring the benefit to the society as well. For this, I need to have the responsibility, the ownership in myself, to develop myself, to progress myself, to have the belongingness in myself so that I can bring the benefit in the society. We have done everything in the physical form, in the physical level, but after doing so much in the physical level also, we are not happy in life. It is because we have not worked upon ourselves, we have not worked on the self-upgradation and the self-progress. That is the reason even the society is suffering today, because we individually are suffering. So once we start nurturing ourselves, when we start really doing the yoga for the self, means bringing the harmony in ourselves, we can definitely bring that harmony in the society, and then we can justify by saying yoga for society. So let us all bring the harmony in ourselves. Let us all have the balance of love and law in ourselves. Let us all recognize the unlimited treasures that we have of knowledge, virtues and power, so that we can utilize that in our day-to-day life and benefit each and every being. For it is very important to work on ourselves, to work on anything else that is outside, because anything that is physical is temporary, and anything that we work from within the core of ourselves is unlimited and it is permanent. So let us work on the permanent basis, nurturing ourselves, so that we can really prove yoga for self and yoga for society, having the perfect amalgamation of love and law in whatever we do. So I wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day 2024. Do take care of yourself.